Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we will discuss about the different topics of real estate. First of all, here how can artificial intelligence change real estate? For example, artificial intelligence can analyze large amount of real estate data such as property prices, sale history and location data to make market predictions. This can help real estate companies and individuals make better investment decisions. Now, what is the biggest threat to real estate? Inflation, share and inflation and interest rates. These forces are having a surmountable impact on the housing market and consumers' pocketbooks. Geopolitical risk, hybrid work models, supply chain disruption, energy, labor shortages, housing imbalance, regularity, uncertainty. What is the biggest disadvantage of real estate? Disadvantage of real estate is investing high cost. The biggest disadvantage with real estate investment is that high capital requirements to get started. You need to provide for down payments, EMIs, insurance, property taxes, stamp duty and so on. What are the four agents in our artificial intelligence? Types of artificial intelligence are Java points. These are the given below: simple reflex agent, model-based reflex agent, goal-based agents, utility-based agents, learning agents. What is the example of artificial intelligence in real estate? How it is using in real estate? Silverwork Solutions use artificial intelligence to build cognitive technologies for the mortgage industry. Its solution includes software robots that complement the work of human